Tired of foggy headlights ruining your night drives? Today, we're counting down the top 5 headlight restoration kits you can grab on Amazon. Driving with hazy headlights isn't just ugly, it's dangerous and reduces your visibility. But you don't need to spend hundreds at a body shop. I've tested the most popular DIY kits to find out which ones actually work. We'll break down ease of use, quality of results, and value for money. By the end, you'll know exactly which kit fits your car and budget. All product links are in the description below, so you can check them out easily. And once you are done watching till the end, comment below with your thoughts and suggestions on headlight restoration kits. Also, share any other DIY headlight restoration tricks that may have worked for you. Also, make sure to subscribe for more expert car maintenance tips and reviews. Now let's get started. At number 5, the Firmoath Headlight Restoration Kit stands out for its simplicity. If you want a no-fuss solution for moderate haziness, this is your kit. It's a single-step process: clean, apply the solution, and buff. No drills, no complicated sanding, no hours of prep, just results. I tried it on a 10-year-old sedan, and the clarity improvement was immediate. The kit includes everything: restoration liquid, microfiber towel, and applicator sponge. Instructions are clear, so even beginners can't go wrong. After washing the headlight, apply the solution with the sponge in circular motions. You'll see yellow oxidation lift off almost instantly. Buff with the towel and you're done. It won't fix deep pitting, but for mild to moderate fogginess, it's a game changer. The formula includes a UV protective sealant, helping prevent future yellowing. Many basic kits skip this, so your results last longer. For the price, it's a great value: quick, easy, and effective. If you want a fast refresh without a multi-stage process, Firmoath is a solid pick. Check the link in the description for the best price. Simple, effective, and budget-friendly. That's why it kicks off our list at number 5. Number 4 is the VCTSELITY Car Headlight Restoration Kit, which uses a unique wipe-on system. This 2-part kit starts with sanding to remove oxidation, then finishes with a clear coat wipe. The sanding step is crucial. Work through the included grits for a smooth surface. Once prepped, the clear coat wipe transforms the frosted lens to crystal clear in seconds. The finish is glossy, durable, and highly UV resistant, almost like a new layer of plastic. The wipe-on application is simple and satisfying, with no buffing or polishing required. I tested it on a car with heavy clouding and scratches. The results were impressive. Just keep the surface wet while sanding, and follow the grit progression. After sanding, clean and dry the lens, then apply the clear coat with the included wipe. The transformation is instant. Hazy plastic becomes perfectly transparent. The finish is super glossy and long-lasting, outshining basic polish kits. If you're willing to put in a bit of prep work, this kit delivers near-professional results. It's a great middle ground between simple wipes and full multi-step systems. For a like-new finish and lasting protection, VCTSELITY is a fantastic option. Gloves are included. Use them as the clear coat has a strong smell. The process is straightforward and the payoff is huge. If you want a durable, glossy finish, this kit is worth a look. Wipe on, wipe off, and you're done. That's why VCTSELITY lands at number 4. Give it a try if you want that factory-fresh look. Number 3 is the Mother 07251 NuLens Headlight Renewal Kit. A favorite for those who want pro-level results using a drill. The kit's Powerball polishing tool attaches to any drill, making the process fast and easy. You get a range of sanding discs, from 800 to 3000 grit, to tackle everything from light haze to deep yellowing. After sanding, switch to the Powerball and apply the included polish. The drill does the hard work, buffing the lens to a crystal clear shine in minutes. The results are impressive, like a professional detail job at home. The kit is comprehensive: backing plate, sanding discs, Powerball, and polish. Instructions are clear, and the process is manageable even for beginners. I restored an old SUV's headlights with this kit, and the difference was night and day. The headlights went from yellowed and dull to clear and bright, improving both looks and safety. If you own a drill and want a thorough restoration, this kit is a top choice. It's efficient, powerful, and delivers results that basic kits can't match. For tough jobs, the Mother's NuLens kit is a smart investment. Trusted brand, proven performance. Power up your restoration with Mother's. It's the pros pick for a reason. Fast, effective, and satisfying. That's why it earns our number 3 spot. Don't miss out if you want serious results. Our runner-up is Meguiar's two-step headlight restoration kit, professional results simplified. This kit is all about efficiency, clean, then coat. Step 1 uses a special cleaning solution and abrasive pad to remove oxidation, no multi-stage sanding needed. The pad and solution combo is aggressive enough to clear away haze and yellowing fast. Once the lens is uniformly frosted, you're ready for Step 2. Step 2 is a unique aerosol coating. Just spray on 2 coats for a flawless, even finish. The aerosol ensures no streaks or high spots, and the coating cures to a hard, crystal-clear UV-resistant barrier. Meguiar's claims over a year of protection, and the finish looks and feels factory new. I used this kit on a minivan with cloudy pitted headlights. The transformation was instant. The cleaning step takes some elbow grease, but the results are worth it. Taping off the paint is important to avoid overspray. The final result? Deep gloss, perfect clarity, and a professional appearance. This kit bridges the gap between basic wipes and complex multi-step systems. It's ideal for anyone wanting pro-level results without power tools. Customer reviews are stellar, and my experience matches the hype. For simplicity and quality, Meguiar's is hard to beat. 2 steps, huge results. If you want a quick pro-grade restoration, this is your kit. That's why Meguiar's takes our number 2 spot. Fast, flawless, and long-lasting. Give it a try for a like-new look. At number 1, the 3M Ultra Headlight Restoration Kit is the gold standard for DIY restoration. This drill-based, multi-stage system is the most comprehensive kit on the market. It's designed for headlights in the worst condition. If you want pro-level results, this is it. The process starts with a 500 grit disc for heavy yellowing, then 800 grit, and finally a 3000 grit Trizact foam disc for a glass-smooth finish. 3M's Trizact technology is a game-changer, virtually eliminating sanding scratches. After sanding, use the compounding pad and rubbing compound to bring out clarity. Finish with the polishing pad and synthetic wax for a brilliant shine and UV protection. I restored a 15-year-old truck's headlights with this kit. The transformation was incredible. The headlights went from opaque and dangerous to crystal clear and like new. The light output and appearance were completely restored. This kit doesn't just clean, it resurfaces your headlights. If you have a drill in an hour, you can achieve results that rival professional detailers. It's the most thorough, effective solution in a box. For anyone serious about headlight restoration, 3M is the undisputed champion. It's my personal top pick and a bestseller for a reason. The process is detailed but straightforward. Just follow the steps. The payoff is huge: safety, looks, and value. Check the first link in the description for the 3M kit. Don't settle for less if you want the best. Ultimate clarity, ultimate performance. That's why 3M tops our list. Restore your headlights like a pro. That's our countdown of the top 5 best headlight restoration kits on Amazon. Restoring your headlights is a quick DIY that boosts both safety and style. Which kit are you leaning toward? Share your thoughts or results in the comments below. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more car care reviews. Remember to check the links in the description below for the best deals on these headlight restoration kits. Until next time, drive safe and keep those headlights shining.